Imagine opening your wallet to find an extra $1,000 at the end of the month. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's more achievable than you think. Forget the conventional wisdom of skipping your morning coffee. We're here to explore some unexpected pathways to boost your savings without sacrificing your lifestyle. Curious? Let's unlock the secrets to keeping more money in your pocket. Before we dive into these game-changing hacks, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the unique money-saving strategies we share that could transform your financial habits. Ready? Let's get started. Hack 1. The grocery game changer. First up is a technique that turns grocery shopping on its head. It's not just about coupons or sales, it's about making your food budget work smarter. Let's delve into how you can save a significant chunk of your budget. Strategy 1. Bulk buying with a twist. Ever noticed how bulk buying can slash your grocery bill? But here's the twist. Focus on non-perishable items and team up with friends or neighbors. By forming a community buying group, you can access wholesale prices without overstocking your pantry. Plus, I'll share some smart storage tips to keep your finds fresh longer. Strategy 2. The hidden world of imperfect produce. Next, let's talk about ugly fruits and veggies. Yes, those slightly odd-shaped tomatoes or quirky-looking carrots. Stores and services often offer these at a discount, saving you money and reducing food waste. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Strategy 3. Tech-savvy shopping. And in the digital age, saving is at your fingertips. Apps and online tools can alert you to price drops and cashback offers on your grocery list. I'll guide you through setting up these apps, ensuring your privacy and security along the way. To wrap up our first hack, remember, shop smarter, not harder. These strategies can shave hundreds off your grocery bills, pushing you closer to that $1,000 saving goal. Hack 2. The subscription detox. In our second money-saving adventure, we're diving into the world of subscriptions. Yes, those monthly charges that silently drain your bank account without you even noticing. It's time for a detox, but with a twist that not only saves money, but could also make you money. Intrigued? Let's get started. Strategy 1. Audit your subscriptions. First things first, let's identify the culprits. You'll be surprised at how many subscriptions you've accumulated over the years. From streaming services to that app you downloaded once and forgot about. I'll show you how to track these down and decide which ones truly bring value to your life. Strategy 2. The swap trick. Now, for the clever part. Instead of simply cutting off all your subscriptions, consider swapping. Find cheaper or free alternatives that can replace expensive services. For example, swap your premium music service for a free ad-supported version. Or trade in that costly gym membership for workout apps and outdoor activities. It's all about finding balance without sacrificing enjoyment. Strategy 3. Turn clutter into cash. Finally, let's turn unwanted subscriptions into opportunities. Got a magazine subscription you no longer read? Swap it with a friend for something you'd enjoy, or cancel it and save the money. Better yet, use the funds to invest in something that grows over time, like a high-interest savings account or stocks. This way, your money's not just sitting there, it's working for you. By detoxing your subscriptions, you're not just cutting costs, you're optimizing your expenses. It's about making every dollar count and finding creative ways to enjoy life's pleasures without breaking the bank. Hack 3. The housing hustle. For our final trick, we're tackling your biggest expense head-on, housing. Whether you're renting or paying a mortgage, there's room to maneuver that can lead to substantial savings. Ready to shake things up? Let's dive into the housing hustle. Strategy 1. Roommate roulette. Think roommates are just for college students? Think again. Sharing your space can significantly reduce your living expenses. But here's the twist. Be strategic about it. Choose a roommate who shares your lifestyle preferences to ensure harmony. And if you're really savvy, consider renting out a spare room on a short-term rental site. It's not just about splitting costs, it's about creating a new income stream. Strategy 2. Negotiate like a pro. Whether you're renting or have a mortgage, there's always room to negotiate. For renters, don't be afraid to negotiate your lease renewal, especially if you've been a reliable tenant. Homeowners, consider refinancing your mortgage to take advantage of lower interest rates. I'll walk you through the negotiation tactics and refinancing process to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Strategy 3. The downsizing decision. Last but not least, consider if downsizing makes sense for you. Moving to a smaller place or a less expensive area can free up hundreds of dollars each month. It's a bold move, but think about it. Less space means lower utility bills and less temptation to fill your home with unnecessary purchases. It's not just about saving money, it's about embracing a simpler, more focused lifestyle. With the Housing Hustle, I have explored how to turn your living situation into an opportunity for massive savings. From sharing your space to negotiating better terms, each strategy offers a path to keep more money in your pocket. As we wrap up our journey to save $1,000 this month, remember that the key to financial success is creativity, courage, and commitment. Each hack I have shared today challenges conventional thinking and opens up new possibilities for saving and earning. Start with one hack, see the difference, and gradually incorporate more into your life. Your financial goals are not just dreams, they're achievable realities. Thank you for joining me on this financial adventure. If you're ready to take control of your finances and make your money work for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Keep hacking your way to savings.